A routine traffic stop turns into an intense encounter with the daughter of a sheriff.
My dad is a sheriff.
If you don't let me close this door, I'm arresting
so let
you.
me show.
I'm going to hit you with it. That's your license, registration, and insurance on this vehicle.
Okay, can you show me that?
I need your license. I'm not doing this game. Why am I smelling alcohol emitting from your breath? I need your license, registration, and insurance. You have one more chance, or I'm going to take you to jail, okay?
Hold on a second. Take me to jail. Mom, he wasn't in following me the whole time and loving, and now he's going to follow me?
That's not how this works. All right. We're done. We're done. Nope. Stop.
Okay, hold on.
Stop.
Wait,
No,
Stop.
Wait.
Stop.
My
Stop.
dad is
Stay
a cop.
over there.
You're not gonna. Okay.
Come over here. I am trying to talk to you.
Okay,
You do not want to listen to me.
enough.
You do not want to listen to me. You don't want to do
Listen,
anything.
just tell me, like, when did you...
I clocked her over at 285 past Brantley.
When? I haven't even been past
Stop.
Brantley.
She hasn't been at Brantley.
You're lying because I haven't been at Brantley.
She hasn't been at Brantley.
I haven't been at Brantley.
Stop yelling.
I
Stop.
haven't been at Brantley.
I know. Stop.
On Brantley Road.
No, I
On
haven't.
285.
She
I
hasn't.
passed you.
No, I
I passed you. A black Chevy Silverado doing 93.
No, I haven't.
Eddie 136 Central.
haven't.
I have one
Sir.
female
No,
detained.
I haven't.
Stop.
Mom, don't.
Wait. Where? She's not coming from Brantley.
What's here?
She wasn't coming out of Brantley.
Okay.
Stop.
Well, that still doesn't.
Okay, stop. Stop. She called me. She's bringing me the kids.
Okay. So where are you coming from?
I'm telling you.
Where are you coming from
Okay,
then?
I've come from my boyfriend's
Which is where?
friend's house.
Which is where?
It was off of Thomason.
Off of Thomason. So you have to
Yes,
pass
sir.
Brantley Road to get to Thomason to get here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's
Okay.
what I'm saying. I passed you at Brantley Road, clocking you at 92.
Okay, so question.
I am traveling 100 miles an hour trying to catch up to you.
No.
And you kept driving through Loving, black Chevy Silverado.
You're lying.
I'm not lying.
Okay,
I don't need to
because-
lie about that.
Mom,
And now I'm smelling alcohol coming from your breath, and you have
Test me.
kids in your car.
Test me because I left from there. I told my mom I'm coming to bring my
well,
kids so we
and
can
I'm
go.
asking you for your license, registration, insurance,
Okay.
and you're denying
And-
that.
and- no,
okay,
I'm
yes,
not-
you are.
I'm
You
not-
said take you to
Okay,
jail.
no,
So I'm obliging you.
Don't
I'm
be
trying.
like that.
Okay, I'm not
All
trying
you
to be
have to
like
do
that.
is just give him your
Okay,
license
that's
and
fine.
the registration.
I will.
Don't argue. Why are you
I'm not arguing because
You
you're
are
saying that I
arguing.
came from Brantley.
Okay.
Not Brantley Lake.
Okay.
Okay? Not Brantley Lake. Brantley Road that is on 285 right here.
Okay.
Okay, pass.
Where did you put your lights
Where did
at?
you put your lights at? Here.
I am not going to run
Right
license
here.
siren. Yes, right here.
Okay, so
Right
why
here.
have you been following me this long and you haven't put
What do
your
you
license in?
mean? I'm not going to put everyone in danger by running the lights and sirens 100 miles an
not
hour.
gonna-
I'm not
Come
gonna
on
run
over here.
from you.
Let her give you your
I will
license.
No. Okay, so let me call. No. Now you're taking me to jail for no reason.
Stop.
Wait,
Stop.
listen.
Get in the vehicle.
Swap.
Get in the vehicle.
No.
Get in the vehicle.
Stop. No.
Get in the vehicle right now.
Listen to me.
Get in the vehicle.
Okay, I'm trying to talk.
Okay, I'm going to talk to her.
Listen.
Get in the vehicle.
My dad is a sheriff.
Your dad's the sheriff. Your dad's Smart Cage.
And I'm
Get
listening.
in the vehicle
I'm talking
right now.
to you.
Just turn around.
Get in the
Mom,
vehicle.
this is Listen to me.
Stop.
Okay, talk to me. Talk to me.
I will talk to you when you calm down.
Okay, I'm calm.
No, sit down. I'm going to get your license, registration, all that
calm.
stuff.
Brittany, please
I'm
calm down.
calm.
Please.
I'm not
Stop
arguing.
down. Stop.
I'm not arguing with you because I'm
You are
crying.
arguing with me.
No. Listen to me.
I
I'm
told you you're
crying
driving
because
92.
I have kids that are in my vehicle.
Okay.
Stop.
So
I
why are
wouldn't
you
do-
traveling so fast then?
I wouldn't do that to
Why
my-
are you driving so fast?
I have
And why are you intoxicated right now?
Listen to me. I have children
So
that have no dad.
Okay.
Period.
That's fine.
Okay.
Brittany.
I'll be honest with you. I've had a beer
Okay.
since I've had those kids,
Okay.
and we stopped.
I understand.
I'm not traveling. I wasn't trying to avoid you.
I never
wasn't-
said you were.
Okay. So,
All I said is I clocked you at a 92.
Okay, where?
And I told you I didn't try to stop you until right here.
Why?
You came around this corner.
Why
What do
didn't
you
you stop
mean?
me?
It's against the law to drive 92 in a 65.
I'm telling.
So
okay.
that's the reason why I pulled you over.
Okay.
I pulled you over doing 92 and a
telling me-
65.
But you're barely pulling me over here. Why
I
didn't
had
you
to
stop me
catch
there?
you. You kept going 92. You kept going.
Let me tell you-
Let him tell you what he's. Let him tell you. Stop
Okay.
arguing. Let him tell you.
Okay.
Okay?
Please.
I am trying to catch up to you. I was trying to catch up to you the whole time. From the moment you passed me and you put on your brakes because you saw me.
I didn't see you. I really, honestly, 100.
Okay.
I'm being 100% honest.
I had to find a turnaround. I turned around on you, and then I floored it.
Where was
doing
that?
100, trying to catch up to you.
Where was that?
Before I could make.
Okay, where was that?
Before I could find the Chevy Silverado.
Okay.
Okay.
Where was that?
What do you mean? Where was that?
Where was that?
Will you stop?
Yeah.
That's not. Why does it matter where I made a U-turn at?
It doesn't.
I told you where I clocked you at. Brantley Road and 285 at 92 miles an hour.
Tell me, because I pulled.
I just told you.
Where's
I'm not going to keep explaining this.
Tell me 100% honest. Where's
Brantley Road is on 285.
I don't know my roads. I don't pay attention. I've lived here
you should
all
know
my
your
life.
roads.
I've lived here.
Oh, then you should know
all
your
my
roads.
life.
I'm not going to argue with you.
Just show him your license
I will,
and he'll give you a ticket. I don't know what he's going to give you, but please do not argue.
I'm
not arguing. I'm just trying to get to the point where why did he follow me so long? And now he's pulling me over.
I had to catch you. Does that not make sense?
Why weren't your lights on?
I turned my lights on when I identified your vehicle.
When you turned around, why didn't you turn the lights on?
Why would I do that?
Why would
that makes no sense. Are you a police officer?
Yes.
No, you are?
I know the rights.
Okay, you're a police officer.
I know my rights.
Okay, well then get in there. Use your Fifth Amendment right. Get in the car.
Okay.
I'm going to arrest you for resisting. How about that?
I'm not arresting you for resisting.
You can't arrest me.
I'm not resisting though. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Get in the vehicle right now, or I'm going to arrest you.
Okay, listen to me.
Last chance.
Shut up.
If you do not let me close this door, I'm arresting you.
Listen.
If you don't let me close this door, I'm arresting you.
So let me show you my license.
1, 2.
Let me show you my license. Let me show you my license. Let me show you my license. I'm gonna pee myself.
Get in the vehicle.
Wait.
I'm going to dry
I'm
stun
trying
you.
to talk to you.
I'm going to hit you with it. I'm going to hit you with it. Get in the vehicle.
I'm just asking you a question.
I know, but she's so hard-headed. Let me get you her license.
Stop. Where's your wallet, insurance, and registration at?
If I could get out, I could show you.
You're not getting out. Okay, well then I'll arrest you for concealing identity. What's your name? Brittany.
What do you need, boss?
Oh, she was driving. She did 92. I turned around on her. I barely caught up to her here. She comes out. I smell alcohol on her breath. She's pretty much refusing everything. Okay. I almost dry stunned her to get her in the unit.
Who's this?
It's Mom. She's trying to help me.
I'll tell her. Ma'am,
I'm not doing
listen,
nothing. I'm sitting here.
you bang on that window and you damage it, we're going to charge you.
What
so
am
quit.
I doing?
So quit.
I'm sitting here.
You're banging on the window, so
I'm
stop.
sitting here
I can hear you on the outside.
Hey, listen to her. This lady's trying to talk to you, Brittany.
Listen to her.
Brittany, please. Brittany, calm down, please. Brittany, I know. Just calm.
You better call my dad, because I'm gonna
I know.
out. They have
Stop.
no right.
I know.
No right.
I know.
I haven't done nothing.
I know.
And all of a
Calm
sudden
down.
he pulls
Calm
his
down.
lights.
I know.
All of a
Calm
sudden.
down. Stop banging on the door.
Stop banging on the door. That's what I'm telling you.
I'm not banging on no door.
If your mom can hear it too, yes.
I can't fucking move.
Britt.
I just got a tattoo.
That's okay, ma'am. Just
I
move
just got
back.
a tattoo.
Listen to me. He's being nice enough and he says he's not going to arrest you. If you listen to him, stop, because if not, he's going to take you. We don't need you to go, Brittany. You got the kids here. Please, zip it.
So she's gonna refuse everything. I'll ask her. Brittany, are you willing to submit to standardized field sobriety tests? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, I'll take that as a no, okay? All right, so as of right now, you're under arrest for DWI.
Why?
For DWI.
What is he going to do?
She's under arrest
And why?
for DWI.
I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Huh?
For DWI.
But why DWI if she's not?
She's intoxicated.
But you didn't test her.
She just refused to do the test. She's intoxicated.
Hey, he's gonna read her some stuff that's important, so can you just come over here for now? I appreciate it. He has to read it to her. I just don't want her distracted, okay?
I would understand. My dad's a sheriff. I wouldn't do this to you. I'm
All right.
not an ugly person.
I'm not
I
saying you
don't
are.
Do this.
All right, you need to listen to
I
me,
don't
okay?
do this.
You need to listen to me
But
really
listen
carefully.
to me.
All right, you are under
Why?
arrest
If
for
I didn't
DWI.
do nothing,
Stop and
how
listen
am
to
I
me.
under DWI if
Stop
I didn't
and
blow
listen to
anything?
me.
I didn't blow nothing.
I cannot force you to
How
take our
long
test,
have you
but if you
followed me?
refuse, you will lose your New Mexico driver's license
long
or non-resident
have you
operating
followed
privilege
me
for
and
1
not
year.
told me
The
to
right
go?
to speak to an attorney or remain silent does not apply to this
Have you
requirement
followed
of the
me?
Mexico
How
law.
long have you
That you
followed
take
me?
a breath test.
How long have you followed
Do you
me?
now agree to be
How long have
tested?
you followed me?
I consider your actions to be a refusal to be
How
tested.
do you know if I haven't refused them? I didn't
Charged with
say I
REO.
didn't refuse.
Oh, I'm going to.
Did I say
Yeah,
I
no, she wants to act like that?
Yeah, charged with
do
REO.
that.
Did I? Zip it. Zip it. You should have been talking him right. If not, you wouldn't be there.
They're all That's why they all get in trouble. That's why.
Information?
What is she hitting the window with?
I don't know. If you cooperated, a lot of this would have gone
Yeah,
completely,
and that's what I was trying to
completely
get at,
different.
but I understand, yes.
Okay, I understand why she's confused about the being pulled over or whatnot, but I put my lights on when I was able to, okay? With her being intoxicated and her being upset and all that stuff, you know, she doesn't want to listen or do whatever. With any type of DWI with children involved, we have to contact CYFD, Child Youth Family Division. It's not saying I'm taking her kids away, we just have to make a report. So he's going to get that information from you, okay? And I'm going to take her to jail before she starts catching more charges.
Okay.
Okay?
My
Okay.
dad's a cop.
Well,
I
you'll-
would never disrespect
You'll get
y'all.
to give
I would never disrespect
you'll get to give your part in court,
I would
okay?
never disrespect y'all.
No, and I hear you.
My dad's a cop. I would never disrespect y'all. I would never try to do this.
Who's your dad?
I never would try.
I'm just curious. Who's your dad?
I never.
Who's her dad?
I have no idea.
Said he's a sheriff. What's her dad's name?
He used to be a cop, she says. He used to be a sheriff.
Oh, did he? Okay, gotcha.
Hi, babe.
I hope one day when your daughter's in that situation, I hope you eat your goddamn words every day. Because I'm Satan and I'll come for you every day. Worthless piece of shit. Worthless piece of shit.
What's her first name?
Brittany.
Brittany. Hey, Brittany.
Yeah,
We're gonna get you booked in, okay?
that's good.
Hey, we're not your enemy. We're just
I
here.
don't care.
We're just here to get you booked
My dad
in.
used to be a cop. I have no offense to y'all.
Okay.
Not one.
Alrighty, cool. Appreciate you.
I just really have to pee really, really bad.
Cooperate with the officer here, and that'll have to happen pretty quick.
Okay.
Brittany was charged with child abuse with no great harm, driving while under the influence, speeding, driving with no license, resisting, evading, obstructing an officer, and criminal damage to property. She is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.